Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to add timestamps to a video in YouTube. And if you find this quick video useful, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really helps motivate me to make more videos like this in the future. Okay, so to add timestamps to a video, what you need to do is make your way to your YouTube studio. And then once you're in your YouTube studio, go over to content and go to the video that you want to add timestamps to. So in this example, I'm going to add timestamps to the video how to hide cursors in OBS. So I'm going to go to the details of this video, the video details. And just for transparency, I'm going to go to this video to show you that there's currently no timestamps on this video. If you see the timeline bar here, there's no timestamps. So going back to the video details, to add timestamps, all we need to do is add it to the description. It's really straightforward, actually. So in your description, it doesn't matter where, so long as it's in the description, start adding the timestamps. So I'm going to go ahead and add at the 0 second mark is going to be my intro. At about the 20-second mark, and this is all random for this video. At the 20-second mark, I'm going to go and add how to hide cursor. At the minute 10 mark, I'm going to add cursor being hidden. And then at the minute 30 mark, I'm going to say conclusion, end of the video. And then I'm going to save it. Now, if I go back to that video and I refresh it, you'll now see, for starters, you'll now see that there is chapters in my description. And then you'll also see that if I go back to the timeline of the video, you'll see that there are timestamps. So here's the intro, here is the how to hide cursor section, here is the hidden section, and then here is the conclusion of the video right here. And that is how you add timestamps to a YouTube video. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in future quick videos.